Today, we are in conversation with C. Bala Satish, the chairman of MES Builders Association of India. So, sir, can you please tell us about the current scenario of the Builders Association?
We are basically contractors doing works for the defense sector, that is for the Army, Air Force, Navy. We do all sorts of works for the armed forces, that is construction of buildings, construction of runways, maintenance of buildings, maintenance of roads, jetties, projects, all those things. With the pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war, the contractors are in a very, very piquant situation. The prices have hiked so much that we are not able to bear the price rise, and we are all suffering because of that. Being a defense contractors, we are bound by the Contract Act and we are executing the works in the interest of the nation. We are not compromising with the quality of the work or the execution of the work. Despite all these odds we are facing, we have been successfully completing the works. So we request the Government of India and the Defence Minister, Finance Minister to listen to our pleas of giving the cost escalation with regard to the various commodities price hike. For example, steel was around 43 rupees in 2020 before the pandemic. Today the price of steel is 90 rupees. Now this 100% increase, how are we going to compensate? We cannot, every work there is thousands of tons of steel which is to be incorporated. And even if it is a 10 lakh work, the loss is 5 lakhs. We cannot ever meet that kind of a price escalation.
So, sir, can you please explain how the Russia-Ukraine war has affected your association?
Basically, though it is Russia-Ukraine war is a war between two countries, but the impact is global. We can find the impact right down into the streets of Visakhapatnam. The price hikes due to the lack of availability of power, price hike in diesel, petroleum products, everything because of the petroleum hike, every product has increased. The manpower, if he has to travel from point A to B, earlier it used to be 50 paisa, today it is 1 rupee per kilometer. Same way transportation, same way electrical charges, everything has increased due to the pandemic and also due to the war.
So, sir, as the GST has affected the whole country, has it also affected your association?
Definitely, GST also has affected us. Today, I cannot say that it has affected us or not, but definitely there is because of GST, there is a lot of transparency has come into the system. We appreciate GST. At the same time, there is lot of anomalies in the GST system. There is no clarity. So the government should further work on the clarity of the GST and see that it is a perfect platform is available to the businessman to have no kind of discrepancies in the system.
So, sir, can you please specify the pleas which you have made to the central government?
Basically, our main plea to the central government is on the price rise. So we have met the Member of Parliament, requested him to submit a memorandum to the Prime Minister, to the Defence Minister with regard to the price escalation and tell the ground reality situation, what is happening from Gully to Delhi. So all over the country we are around 74 branches. In these 74 branches we have been representing to our engineers over here, chief engineers, and in turn through them we are going to the engineering in chief at Delhi. Through the Member of Parliaments we are representing and asking them to represent to the Prime Minister, to the Defence Minister and the Finance Minister.
Okay. Thank you, sir.